when we build houses or structures, so these structures, they need to be strong and safe. So by begin to use the ruler and measuring tab, I believe it will help us to follow the plan correctly from the very beginning and making sure everything is strong and secure. So with this, we will begin with the ruler. For here, we are using standard ruler. So a ruler is a straight tool that helps us to measure things, all right? So as the picture show here, it has numbers on it to show how long the ruler or something is. Take for example, we have 15 centimeters, we have 30 centimeters, and also 60 centimeters ruler here. So the ruler is just like a special tick lah, that can tell us how long the things are. Next, we'll go to the measuring tab. So it's just like a long ribbon. It can also measure things. So it's more flexible because it can goes around the things to measure the size. For Chinese, in standard ruler, we will call it as 标准尺. 标准 is standard. It's okay if we only use 尺. 尺 itself is the ruler. So it will sound like 标标准准. 次 will be 次 is urgent. 次尺标准次标准尺 or 尺 itself will do. Second would be the general sequence of using a ruler. So I just begin with the first step is to place the ruler. So to place, we say is to 放置. 放置. 放 we can start with the F. F sound will be, you can use FU, 扶昂 放. Okay, 放. Z would be like Z plus Z 放 Z. Okay, to place, correct. Second step would be to measure. So it's 测量 Again, we have this Z sound. Z 测量 So it's 测量. A little bit faster would be 测量. Correct. The third step being to align, to 对齐. 对齐, we can like this road is one way or two way, so it's where. Right in front of the where we use du. 对 correct. 齐 would be the cheese without se, so it's 对齐. A little bit faster. 对齐 to align, correct. Then we go for the fourth step, to observe, to 观察. So it's like you want this or not? One or the one? Right in front of the one, we put gu. 观察. Yes, it's to observe. So the last step being to read the measurement. 读数. For us to remember it easily would be 读顺, but the pronunciation would be more like Scooby-Doo, the do, and then shoot would be the shooting without T. Do, shoot. Correct. So this is basically the general sequence of using a ruler. Then we want to pose question. So there will be a lot of nasi lemak here. Please bear with me. So the first one is when you want to ask, have you already placed the ruler? Already placed or not? Then we ask, 放置了吗? 放置了吗? Again, the pronunciation would be like fu plus ang, fuang, and then z. 放置了吗? That's a question. Already placed. Second would be, Have you already measured with a ruler? 测量了吗？测量了吗？ Yes, the pronunciation would be like the plus liang, the liang, lema. Okay, another question to ask. Already aligned or not? 对齐了吗? Please bear with me. There is some technical error. Okay, let's go back to the 对齐了吗? So it's like the one-way road or two-way road, the where plus du in front, 对齐了吗? Okay. Number 4 would be, have you already observed it? 观察了吗? 观察了吗? You want this or you want that? Plus gu in front. 观察了吗? Correct. So the last question being, already read the measurement or not? 读数了吗? 读数了吗? Scooby-Doo plus the shooting without T. 读数了吗? So with all this 了吗 in mind, we are asking question. Next, we'll proceed to the measuring tab. It's called 卷尺. Yes, we know that 尺 is rural. So 卷 is to roll. 卷尺 is like a rolling tab. It will sound like G, N, 卷. Okay, G plus N, 卷, and then 卷尺. Correct. This is measuring tab. So there are general sequence of using measuring tab. First, we have to prepare. How to prepare? We take it out. We 拿出 take out 卷尺. 拿出卷尺. Na is like nak ke tak nak? Nak. Chu. For your easy understanding would be the zoo, the animal, the zoo for animal. 拿住卷尺. Yeah, the G plus N will be easy to understand. 卷尺, 卷尺. Alright, so we take it out already. We have to unroll it. Unroll it, we say 展开, 展开. Again, it's like J plus N. 展, one guy or two guy. 展开, a little bit soft. Yes, to unroll. Then we go back to measure. Measure is called 测量. Correct. 测量 is 测 plus 量. 测量. Again, we have to read the measurement. We have to 读数. 读数. Scooby-Doo plus the shooting without T. 读数. Okay, this is repeating, yeah? So the last part being to record. If needed, we have to record the measurement, right? So it's called 记下. 记下. For easy understanding, we can use EFG. The G here, a little bit harder. 记下 Banda Jetty, 下. 记下. Correct. These are the general sequence of using measuring tab. Then we proceed with another set of lemma. Alright? So you want to ask, already prepared the measuring tab or not? 拿出卷尺了吗? 拿出卷尺了吗? Correct. It's not ke tak nak, 卷尺. 拿出卷尺了吗? Then second you ask, already unroll? 展开了吗? 展开了吗? Yes, it's like 展, one guy, two guys, 展开了吗? Number third would be already measure or not. We repeat again, yeah? 测量了吗? 测量了吗 is like 12+2. 测量了吗 And then number 4, we repeat again. Already read the measurement. 读数了吗读数了吗 Scooby-Doo, blood shooting without T. 读数了吗 Then, if needed, we have to record it. So, have you already record? 记下了吗记下了吗 Easy understanding with your G plus Sha Bandar Jati. 记下了吗 Okay, so please bear this in mind for the ruler and measuring tab. Then we proceed to using screwdrivers and hammers. Well, these tools, they are more or less to put things together. So for me, a screwdriver will help me to twist the screw into place. It's like turning a key to make a door lock. So this is to make sure pieces of maybe in the construction site, the structure will stay in the right spot and don't fall apart. Yeah, I believe that they are also like help to making strong connections just like a hammer helps us to hit the nails into the wood. So the nails will make things stick together tightly. So this makes our construction strong and safe, I believe. And it's also help to creating new things. Sometimes I want to like hanging my picture on the wall. So I'll use the screwdriver to make the hole first. Then I'll use the hammer to tap, tap, tap the nails gently into the place and hang the drawing or the picture. All right. So for screwdriver, we know that it's a tool that looks like a stick also, but we have this flat or pointy end I showed in the picture. So we use it to twist the screws into things like turning a key to lock the door. Then the last one being the hammers. So hammers is a tool that looks like a stick with heavy ends. Just like in the picture, there are different types of it, quite specialized in it. So we have to use it to hit the nails into things to hold them together. So in Chinese, when we want to say screwdriver, we will say 螺丝起子螺丝起子 It sounds like law, the legal law. 是螺丝 and then cheese without S-E, 起子螺丝起子 Okay, a little bit faster. 螺丝起子 Easy to remember will be roses and cheeses. Okay? So we will go to the sequence, the general sequence of using a screwdriver. First, we have to hold it. So hold the screwdriver. We 握住螺丝起子。握住螺丝起子。It's like, whoa, there's a zoo. 握住螺丝起子。First step. Second step is to place the tip. 放置 the place. 起子 is a screwdriver. 头 is the tip or the head. So 放置起子头 it would be sounds like F-U 扶 A and G 放 and then J Z Z okay 放置 and then 起子头 alright 放置起子头 just to place the tip Then the last step being to turn it slowly is like 慢慢转动 慢慢 is slowly 转动 is to turn alright so it's like the 慢慢 the 慢慢 okay 转 would be like yes 转 then do on 动 yes 慢慢转动 to turn slowly. Of course, we want to repeat it. So we will say 重复重复 is like 是 plus on 重 And then fool being I am a fool, like F-O-O-L, fool. 虫, fool. All the while we have to be very careful. So we say 小心,小心 is like 小, 吸音, sing, 小心. These are the general sequence of using a screwdriver. Then we proceed to the hammer. Hammer is called 锤子. 锤子 is 是 plus way. This way is one-way road or two-way road. The way we plus 是 in front. So make it a little bit faster. 思维, 锤, 思维, 锤, 锤子. Correct. So for the sequence, general sequence of using a hammer, also 3 steps. First, we have to hold the hammer. We 握住锤子, 握住锤子. It's like, whoa, there's a zoo. 握住. Correct. Next, we have to M. 瞄准 sound of the cat. So meow, but we have to press it a little bit harder. Meow, just like the cat is angry. 准. Meow, 准. Okay, this is to M. Then we have to hit. 敲打. 敲打 is like 摇. You plus CHI in front. 敲. Okay. 敲. This is quite tricky. 敲. And then 打. DA. 敲打 is to hit. Throughout this process, we want to repeat it. We will say 重复. 重复 is like 是 on 重 and F-O-O-L, fool. 重复. And please be careful when we are using the hammer. 小心. 小and she in. 小心. Of this, I would like to conclude our training for today by repeating. We have a recap of common engineering tools. First, we introduce standard ruler. It's called 标准尺. Please bear in mind, 标准 is standard, 尺 is the ruler. It is okay to use only ruler, 尺. All right. The sound is 标准尺. Next, we proceed to the measuring tab. This is actually the picture where our IOW is taking measurement now. So it's more flexible. It can be, can bend, can roll. So it's called 卷尺. Yes, it's easy for us to remember as G plus N, GN, and 卷尺. Then we have these screwdrivers. We call it 螺丝起子. 螺丝起子. It sounds like 螺丝起子. Roses and 起子. Okay? 螺丝起子. The last one is hammer. 锤子. 锤子. It sounds like one way or two way plus C which are in front. 锤子. 锤子. So I would like to open the floor for Q&A right now. Oh, for the lemak part, right? As for the lemak, actually, we are using it for posting question for all those lemak. So, when you at site, you can actually ask NCR lemak. Have you issued NCR? Or SIR lemak? Have you issued SIR? And then you can ask them whether 吃饱了吗? Have you eat? Or what else you can do? We can post question using the 了吗? Have you signed? 签名了吗? Also can. That's the usage of 了吗lah. Is there any question? All right. If there is no further question, then again, I will have to like encourage all of us to participate in the assessment. First being the written assessment, because I really have fun and enjoy like facilitating the training. So, but your feedback will definitely help us and help me to keep on improving. So please like fill in the written assessment so that I can check your understanding. And I would really, really appreciate if you can like provide the response to me within 24 hours. And also for your information, the Mandarin Training Assessment 5, we actually obtained 88% from 19 participants. Thank you so much for that. And as for the practical assessment, yes, when we learn language, we have to speak it out. So feel free to take chances and make mistakes lah. Just call me and speak Chinese with me will do. You can record it to me also. That's how we grow lah. I know it's sometimes it's quite embracing and quite upward, but it will help us and nourish our courage. So let's together we feel together in order to practice paying breath. That's all from me today. And then 谢谢大家 and 再见。谢谢你 Miss Ain。
谢谢。
谢谢
谢谢
Miss
谢
Lin，
谢，
谢谢 Miss Lin，
谢谢你，
谢谢你。
谢谢你，谢谢
谢
你。
谢。